Get ready to nail your next look. With these trendy nail design ideas, your fingertips will be the talk of the town in no time. Check this one out. A white base color is a classic choice for nail design that offers endless possibilities. You could go for a minimalist look with simple white nails, or add a pop of color with bright accents. For an elegant touch, try a white French tip or create a subtle ombre effect by blending white with a pastel shade. Get creative with white as your canvas. You could try a light blue base with delicate white flower accents for a dainty and feminine touch. Or, go for a bold statement with a deep navy blue and vibrant floral patterns. A green base color with a wave peacock design is a unique and exotic nail design idea that captures the essence of nature's beauty. Try this eyeshadow nails for a change. Eyeshadow nails are a trendy and creative nail design that mimics the look of eyeshadow on your fingertips. The possibilities are endless, making eyeshadow nails a versatile and fun way to express your personal style. Nails with a gel cream color offer a classic and sophisticated look that's perfect for any occasion. Gel cream colors, like blush or nude, create a sleek and polished finish that's both chic and timeless. You could add a touch of sparkle with glitter accents, or keep it simple with a matte finish. Here's another one. Black nails with flower designs are a striking and dramatic nail design that blends edginess with femininity. The options for flower designs on black nails are endless, giving you the opportunity to create a unique and personalized look. Kewpie nails are a playful and trendy nail design that's perfect for those who love to have fun with their style. The design typically features a yellow and black striped base color, similar to a bee's pattern, with cute little bee accents. Start with a rich, deep violet base color, then add a variety of beads in different sizes and shapes to create a unique and textured design. Nails using 2 colors or more with ripple design offer a fun and playful nail design that adds a touch of creativity to your look. This design typically features 2 contrasting colors, like pink and white or blue and green, blended together in a ripple effect. You can make the ripples using a sponge or brush, or get more precise with a stamping plate. The end effect is a distinctive and eye-catching manicure design, ideal for individuals who enjoy playing around with color. By selecting hues that go well with your skin tone or wardrobe, you can make this design your own. Nails with spring designs are a cheerful and vibrant way to welcome the warmer weather and blooming flowers. This design typically features pastel colors, floral patterns, and other elements that evoke the feeling of springtime. You could go for a minimalist look with delicate flower accents on a nude base, or get bold with bright floral designs on a white base. Nails with polka dot designs are a classic and playful way to add a pop of fun to your nails. This design typically features a base color with small dots in a contrasting color. You could choose to stick to a monochromatic color scheme for a subtle and chic look, or get creative with bold and bright colors. You could also vary the size of the dots to create different effects, like a gradient or a scattered pattern. This design is perfect for those who like to keep their nails simple yet eye-catching. It's a timeless look that never goes out of style. Hope you enjoyed watching. What design catches your eye? Like and subscribe on our channel. And see you in the next video.